feature set when I'm from Kids Tree House. So I'm here to upcycle a used plastic to something useful. Okay, I really hope that it will be a successful item, and I'm really excited to find out what it is. And of course, would like to create awareness and share with everyone that we can actually upcycle our used plastics. Okay, ready? Oh, okay, I got a DIY snack bag. Okay, so here's the items I got. Okay, tips. We have strings, then the snack pouches in different sizes, and Velcro for the openings, and then our stationery. Okay, so these are the set of instructions to the DIY snack bag. Okay, so firstly, you're going to turn over the snack packaging, and then you're going to use tips to cover the insides, and then thirdly, you're going to flip it back, and then you're going to start decorating. So you're going to add the Velcro for the opening, and then lastly, if you like, it's an optional to add a strap so you can carry it wherever you go. Alright, let's begin. Okay, so first step, we are going to turn inside out. Okay, just ensure that when you turn over, right, that you really have to turn to the very last part, like this. Okay. Alright. So this is how it should look like. Okay, so next, we're going to use the tapes and cover the insides. Okay, just be careful, children, when you're handling the scissors. Or you can get your parents to help you. Okay, so cover the inside. This is how it should be. So that's like the first part, and we're going to continue and ensure that we cover all the packaging. Alright? Okay, so this is how it should look like. So the reason why we are actually covering the insides is so that the bag will be more sturdy. So you have options, so you can use either clear tapes, or if you do not have any clear tapes, you can also use duct tapes, the colourful ones. Okay? So I've done one side. Now we're going to do the other side. So if any of you happens to have some tapes that is coming out of the bag, just like this, what you can do is you can cut it off. Okay, so you cut it off. Yep, just like that. Okay, now it's going to be our third step, which we're going to flip it back again. Then you can feel that it will be a bit more sturdy. Now is the fun part. You're going to decorate. Now let's see what we're going to use to decorate our bag. Okay, so I'm going to start decorating now. I'll be doing a Cookie Monster theme. Okay, so I will have googly eyes, and I will draw the mouth with permanent marker. Okay, because I love Cookie Monster. So let's begin. Okay, so I've added the googly eyes and drawn Cookie Monster's mouth. Now I have some sequins. Okay, this is optional, but if you have any additional decoration, it would be really nice to add. Yeah, so it will look like cookie, little cookies. Yeah. See? That'd be so cute. Okay, so I'll be using glue again to add the cookies. Okay, ta-da! Okay, now we're done. So I've added a little cookie crumb inside the little Cookie Monster's mouth. Okay. So next, step 5, we'll be adding the Velcro. Okay. So the Velcro will be somewhere right. It will be inside, right on top. So you have to measure and ensure that the Velcro will fit nicely inside the pouch. Alright, so you have to cut it if it's way too long. Okay, it's quite difficult because the material is quite thick. So children, you may want to get your parents to help you. Alright, now let's try. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's tape it up. So you just take off one side. Okay, put it in gently. Okay, this is really great Velcro because it already has a tape. So you just have to remove and then you can just tape it down. It's very easy. You don't need to use any other additional glues. Okay? Yeah. Okay. It's time to reveal. Yay! Okay, so we're done. You can use it to put your money. You can use it to put your little stationeries, which I'm going to show you right now. I'll be putting glitters. Okay, so so in case you want to bring your glitters to school or you want to bring it over to your friend's house, you can put it inside. It's really, really neat. Okay, see? We're done. Alright, so we're done with the first way of doing it. So alternatively, if you would like to use the inside to design, what you can do is you can tape the outside, which is here, which I've done it already. Tape this side and then you can decorate it on the inside of the snack pouch because it's clear. You may want to have glitters, any sort of decoration, paint on the inside of the snack pouch. Okay, I'll show you right now. Alright, so this time round, I'll be using some ice cream sticks to do the decoration. Okay, so I've decided to use the ice cream sticks, right? So I'm going to decorate it following the colors of the rainbow. Okay, so we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Okay, now I'll be using the glue to stick it to my snack bag. Okay, so these are some additional decorative items. We have flowers. We have butterflies and some sequins. Okay, so I'm done decorating. I've pasted the ice cream sticks and I've also pasted the additional little butterflies and flowers. So this is how it looks like right now. Okay, so I'm done with my decorations. Right now, I'll be adding, previously I mentioned the optional, which was to add the strap. Alright, so I'll be adding the strap now. I'll be using a ribbon. Okay, instead of a string, I'd like to use this very pretty purple ribbon. Alright, so before you actually insert or put the ribbon, you definitely need to have a little hole. Okay, alright, just be very careful when you do the hole punch. Where you insert your hole punch will be very, very important because you will not want to have the hole right at the side. Okay, now we will do it on the other side. Alright, so this is how you look like. It will look like with the hole, alright, ready for your ribbon. So I'll be doing 2 straps. So this is how it will look like. Now first, you insert the strap on one side, tie a little knot. Okay, or you can do it twice, so that this will make it more secure. Okay. So depends on how long you want your strap to be. So mine will just be like that. Somewhere around here. Okay. So you can do a short, like a short one. Or if you want, okay, it depends on your preference. You can make like a really long one, like a sling bag. Okay. Once you've cut the ribbon, we will do the 3 knots again. Yeah. So this is the front. You will repeat the same step at the back. Okay. So we're done with our sling bag. Okay. So this time round, I did not use the Velcro because I wanted to have the easier access and to look more like a handbag. So right now, I'm gonna go to the supermarket for shopping. So I'll put in my handphone, okay. Alright, and also my wallet. See? It's so handy. I'm going to the supermarket now. Bye! Because I've done it before with the children, so although it's still a surprise element at the end of the day, but I did pretty okay, knowing that at least the steps and how to go about, at least I still remember. Yeah. Okay, so I definitely enjoy being very creative, because previously when I didn't do as creative as this. As you can see, it's like so colorful, and I added a strap. So the first time that I did was pretty simple, which was something like this. So today I felt like I was very creative, and as it was a surprise element, I didn't know what I was gonna do. So it's still a surprise to me, and it was really great. I get to be very creative today. Okay, definitely using glue and the Velcro, I don't expect that it will be really sticky. So for the Velcro, when I took off the plastic sheet, it actually sticks to the pouch. Yeah, so that was very, very unexpected. So you must really be very careful, as the Velcro can be very, very sticky. And for this pouch, while I was doing using the glue as well, so I guess, yeah, using glue and or any kind of like sticky things was like really the challenges I faced today. Okay, definitely when we recycle or upcycle, we will reduce waste. And by reducing waste, we are going to reduce the carbon footprint and definitely help the environment. So for example, just now I did a snack bag, right? So instead of throwing it, you can actually upcycle and make into a bag, which then leads you to not purchasing a new bag, okay? And lastly, like I mentioned today, I was very creative. So this will also help you, yourself, your sibling, and also working with your parents. It will help all your creativity will flow and have a great day working together and creating such a great bag. Definitely, by upcycling, we reduce purchasing of new items, and that will reduce resources used to manufacture those items. As such, this will reduce impact on our environment. Alright, we're done. So do have a go with this upcycling item, because I'm sure over the weekends you will have some snacks with your family. Do tag us on Instagram at kidstreehouse.sg and like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye!